we have to talk about the installation experience. This is where we ran into a few hiccups. Installing the T38, it's relatively straightforward for anyone who's replaced a toilet before. However, there are some caveats. You'll need an outlet close to the toilet. We didn't have one, so I had to have an electrician put that in. HOROW includes all the necessary hardware. There's the flange, there's the wax ring, the mounting kit, the supply lines. My advice is to be sure to double check clearance and waterline position before buying and installing, because both of those were issues during our installation, so we ended up hiring a professional plumber. Let's talk about the performance and everyday use. The last 3 months with the T38 here on our main level, it has been our go-to toilet, and it has been great, except for one thing, which we'll talk about in a bit. The automatic lid is responsive. The seat stays perfectly warm, and the warm water bidet and the dryer is like a spa for my butthole. The ambient glow at night is surprisingly practical, and I never need to turn on the bright bathroom lights when I go on one of my nighttime bathroom runs. From a design standpoint, it's a sleek, modern, and high-end design. At around $1,000, the HOROW T38 is great value. It costs a lot less than most of the high-end smart toilets, which can often run $3,000 or more, yet it delivers nearly every premium feature: automatic lid, heated seat, blow dryer, automatic flush, UV sanitation, ambient lighting. This is a great value option.